Hello, green thumbs. This video dives into planting potatoes of any variety. Potatoes are a versatile choice whether you're using a planting bag on your patio or directly in your allotment. Let's get started. You can plant them in a bag. Make sure it's a sturdy bag or large bucket. Get yourself some high-quality potting mix, great for ensuring good drainage and ease of harvest. For allotment planting, prepare your plot by loosening the soil and mixing in plenty of compost for fertility and drainage. Next, place your potato seeds about 6 inches deep in the bag or in a trench on your allotment. Ensure the eyes are pointing upward and space them about 5 inches apart. Cover the seeds with a few inches of potting mix in the bag or with soil and compost in the allotment. As your plants grow, continue to add more to cover the emerging stems, which encourages the formation of more tubers. Keep the soil or mix moist but not soggy. As the plants grow taller, add mix or soil to halfway cover the stems. This helps more tubers form and ensures a bountiful harvest. In about 10 weeks, when the foliage starts to yellow and die back, it's time to harvest. If you're using a bag, tip it over to collect your potatoes. On an allotment, gently dig around the plants to lift them out. That's it, your own potatoes grown with minimal effort, ready to enhance any meal with their marvelous flavor. And don't forget, for more practical gardening tips, subscribe and click the bell for our weekly updates.